Hi, I'm Dan from DSB Plastering and Wall Insulation, and today I'm in to insulate all of these exterior walls.
And the product I'm going to be using is the Vipec F08 Cork Fix.
Right, so now I'm going to add the water-based resin. This actually sets the product off. So I'm going to add this to the cork, and then I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add a little bit of water just to help it spread nicely. And then I'm going to plaster straight over the top of it. Let's get to it. So now the next stage is to get the product on the wall. So the first coat's going to go on 2mm thick.
This is applied in 4mm thick. This allows the walls to breathe, eradicates black spot mould, and warms the surface of your walls.
That needs to completely dry 4 or 5 hours later. Then the next coat goes on, tomorrow plastering. So let's go. Right then, so that's all done. 2 coats on, fully dried now. And now we've put some beading on to get our corners nice and straight. This is stuck on, not screwed in, just to make sure we don't damage the membrane. And now we're going to get plastering. All the plaster's on now. Now I've just got to flatten it. So I'm just going to go around and flatten all of the walls. Then that's going to dry, let that touch dry, and then I'm going to plaster the second coat on top.
For the best finish, I make sure the cork fix is completely dry before I start plastering. Then I'll apply 2 coats of plaster in even layers, allowing for each coat to dry naturally for a smooth, lasting result.